biggest challenges.
Omujwekero wa mukuru w'ihanga ahigera abatura okwejumbira okutunga passport okwenda ngo bakagenda omahanga gaheru okushubura.
I want to encourage all of us to have passports. Of course, my people were saying these passports are very expensive, but I don't think they are.
Ebi abagambire omukiganiro ekibire kitebekanisibwe abarukuhereza abatura passport abwitagiri ya burengero izoba aha mushomo ogubire gugenderire okushomesa abatura okubakubasa okutunga passport ensya aho naho.
For ladies, but make sure our kawani does not cover the ears because we are interested in seeing the ears. Make sure that the hairstyle does not cover the forehead because we are interested in the forehead. Make sure you don't cover the neck. Gentlemen, don't wear poor necks.
Arikurra itagiri ya immigration abwa burengero izoba nagira ngo buri kwezi nibahereza abatura 1813 passport barakuzikorera aha offices ezi otagiro muri Kampala.
Our monthly production of passports stand at 1,813. Those are the passports we produce in a month. So it's upon the members of the public. The office is functional. We have excessive capacity.
Abantu bagira ngo omwaka gw'2018 bakahindura passport nokwe kuretaho ezakatabo nazo zikuza kumara emyaka 10 konko wahati bare excellencia ebesere polycarbonate.
Passport ni yeje niyo yabandize tukagikommissioning mu December 2018. Imwe abagine nayo nekiraninga konka ale this year in May we introduced what we call the polycarbonate passport niyeje.
Abanira abarukuhereza endangamuntu nibagira ngo omuntu oshemere kwandikisa amazina kutari kwandikisa ebikubyo ebirikwija okuremesa okutunga ebihandiko nkebi.
Ofisa wagenze bati kono n'umwana tibe ni umuhandikisa aho kwesha hayoni n'uburega bukijomenera na aba babine nanga ebikura kwaho itowitu twine experience.
Abazire abarukwenda kutungira abana babo passport bashemerewe kubanza batunga nin okurigo murenera. Ende Michael tumwakire abwa TV West Agacencwire.